was your sister is her mysterious invention, LOLA.
LOLA is a system of electrical processes which allows us to observe broadcasts from the future.
This is magnificent, it's beautiful. It's going to change history.
This is the true magic.
Movies, royal weddings, a musical rebellion, signals beamed around the world.
Because of this pioneering work.
This marks a huge turning point in the war against Nazi Germany.
Tom, you are more brilliant than even you know. And also more dangerous.
We're under sustained attack. 6 German destroyers, supported by heavy air bombardment.
Early this morning, catastrophe struck Britain.
Why has it suddenly changed?
The adjustment of variables could lead to a new set of consequences.
I don't understand.
Their maliciously false intel resulted in this country being invaded.
We have to leave.
LOLA was never meant to be an instrument of violence.
Can we undo this?